I would like to identify this tree found on our acreage in the Hardy, Arkansas area. This is the only one of these trees we found on our 40 acres of land. It has huge leaves and smooth bark. What is it? And this is from Teresa. Jonesboro, Arkansas.
Yes.
Ah, Miss Teresa, we know what that one is. And I actually saw a lot of these trees one day when I was running down the green line.
Yeah.
They're everywhere. So
Yes.
what are they?
Mulberries.
Mulberries.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we don't know exactly which
Right.
kind because there's several kinds, but
Right.
but they're definitely a mulberry. She just show us the back side of it, but the back side might be a little bit hairy on the back side
Right.
of that leaf,
Right.
but we can't tell that
Which
from
I think
the
is what, like
pictures.
the red mulberry. I think that's
Yeah, it could probably red.
I think the white it has the smooth.
And I saw the most of the leaves. Of course, it was younger.
Yeah.
And it may not have matured to get the little lobes and the sinuses
Yeah.
in them
Right.
yet on the tree.
Right.
But definitely a mulberry tree of some kind.
The ones I've seen along the green line are pretty mature, so they do have, the leaves that you're talking about.
the lobes
right.
and
And some of them
sinuses.
actually have, will have fruit on them.
Great for the wildlife.
Yeah. Your birds will love it.
Yeah.
Anything you want to add to that, Doc? Yeah. Mulberries, it has a smooth bark. I did see that.
Yeah, I don't think of a lot of pest problems with that. They're
Okay.
pretty acclimated to this area.
Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.